Guys, enough with the slow-mo. Hope you're all doing well. We're still out here. We got the car still. I don't know if you noticed from the last video that the quality was just like, it's just a little bit better. It's just a little bit smoother. A lot of slow-mos and a lot of, B-roll that's just a different level. It's not because of me, but it's my good friend who's helping me, and I'd like you to meet him here today. So, without further ado, here we go.
Hi there.
Why don't you tell us about yourself? Who are you?
Well, I'm a friend of Ted's. I've known him for, well,
Good
now
question.
it's quite a lot of years. Yeah, we've worked together twice.
Twice, yeah.
In 2 different companies.
So this will be the 3rd time.
Yeah. I've been doing video production for 11 years, I think now.
Yeah, as I mentioned before, you saw the quality is so much better. But with this cooperation, this will enable us to do the same thing from different angles. So it will, for you guys, mean a better experience, better reviews, better adventures. If he comes along, if he can keep up to the pace, I don't know. We'll find out if he got what it takes. I think we'll be okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna be honest now because Ted feels that he needs help with his video production, and I'm not sure that he does because I really love his channel. But the thing with me is that I really like to be more outdoorsy.
Yeah.
So that's the trade we're doing. I'm gonna be more outdoorsy, and we're gonna make more videos together.
I'll be Alfred Hitchcock, and you'll be Crocodile Dundee or something like that.
Ooh, yeah, that would be cool.
So yeah, this is just a short video, small update, but a big impact for you guys in the future coming videos. You're gonna see in the coming reviews that we're doing. It's gonna be a lot of epic shots there. Hope you guys are as excited as I am. Albert, are you still around? Hello. So yeah, my old cameraman started school, so now it's time to work with somebody new and a professional. Not like this guy, but more like this kind of professional. I hope you guys will enjoy this. But you're still gonna see Albert from time to time when he's done from school. So yeah, everything will be like normal.
I wouldn't say it's an upgrade, it's just a little bit of a change.
Oh, and by the way, a link to Abbe's channel is this right here. Go check it out. We do some B-roll and then we're gonna say sayonara for this time. Alright guys, bye-bye. You should probably learn how to say bye-bye like Albert does.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Yeah, you gotta scream like a maniac. Alright, I'm out.